an matika logi an gilunga nyingani Michael Anyua online American Australia dong wajolo budwa omin wa Bosmic ma obinu ki Uganda ma wa mere chira gere nyua tam manok ma lugo ko we kinga ke won mer matika ne dong omin wa Bosmic wa mere jora in Australia to Mary mai bino kanye ka nena wan ka chel ke nyuro kit ma we achole tika wot kare Bosmic one of our bino Mary mere jora ni ko ma imot ko luak mati Australia wadinga ene yiti kanye
ya Australian community anotie ana o mbe ag pajo avoro dano ti mbe pajo guchwal mot ana o kilo mot mapol ana o abino kaneno ngoma tikany ana o abino karwate ki dano mamaro wena my fans ana o abino karwate ki dano matiki miri me konyo we churi ya malo kit mawono tikati moneni donc tiers part of it ana o karwate ki mo kene ma pari ma wono ko ke kan wan beno merni wa binen ke ma watwero ribe kwere ki won ki rupe ki dan mo kene ni pien wati lo mo dano kumbe lo do don lo man ya wana churi wa berpe wa keno wa wan mai kono jomani lo gwar kono jo pe kan daro wan bero kai aki Africa chino won bino ka ene no ti in a big family African family ma anbera bino ka joining one for a short time kaka ana romo cha tuka dok chen Uganda Africa bidok gulu bi woro bena chen South Sudan kanano kama one lepoti ye chino bena bidok report ni ugo an mabe o mabe ya yom anya team Bosmic Joyce Latin pa delayed Norbert Uyet Billy me coach Amida Labon Kitgum Norbert Uyet Billy yang obero la dit moñ era no tie lieutenant e moñ karmam seven tor lodge ene ruñi kwone mono malupe ke babana mamana kiloni lielli ariemo Joyce tino unloni o team Bosmic Joyce wa ke kom nyeng mamana pian eno nywalo wan no tino cho wana ngwen kila ten nyaka chiel then pi gumarach la merama kiloni Christine Aya Nandera kuone obiro nyoki karma en futidi sino wadong lutiano cho ngwen sino ikin wani dong wanen no ngaro maro la ko nyin mego dong pere dano wen no kero nyin wigi go dano wen kero nyin wigi sino ara kero team Bosmic Joyce en ara ber first born po mana so akero Joyce wen nye pota
nyin me pota
come gere karika pere nye pota so ya yom piantin kaberwen ma woro I passporta team Bosmic Joyce national ID o team Bosmic Joyce I wena Bosmic Joyce karibel ka ke lucky yango kwanya ki kom lucky dube pian kar chano ara wero miming reggae pa lucky dube Bob Marley nga ge we stage no fu pia cha ko ngwe mamega so no ke luani lucky from school chi uga do nya lucky Bosmic team mono stage name eno komnya Bosmic Joyce team Ariamo Joyce ubero Ariamo Joyce mama mana ubero nyapa lieli Susana Taro ke kwara ma ene wono mana ma wono Ariamo Joyce eno ubero la dit John Ria me bajere ikitgum eno ubero chwe me gulu aki bobo mojo muye ageye en jonoria si an atie machalo kay bobo anati word coach ya mida la bon kit guma ko te chwa ento ara mojo ye pian mo wan coach so pian aberu kay bobo we winyo ke no kana wani muye ageye go ibe kay nyon imu kay iwena iwinyo ke bobo le banyaro ke bobo donc odawanya so ana foyo babana madit ma ene kwara lieli ruot justo ubira me coach amida labon kitkum an are from a royal family gang parodi an la ke an bene ruot pian ruot la kwa ruot beno en ruot
Kom lo ya. La kwa ruot no en
ruot yes makape ge wirnera sino mir wi an so ana ruot now tin ka andra ti we when you down mukene gilwane the king of Luo music, the king of northern Uganda music, the king of South Sudan music. Ingayo gino yele widano watin wadiri gino yele widano tie i South Sudan ka yini wajani boss mi gubero la Uganda jomo kere igipe yom pian ginero boss mi machala tiengi i Uganda ka yini wajani boss mi gubero la South Sudan jomo kere igipe yom pian ginero boss mi chi machala tiengi abichero Kisumu la diet mo o wajani in peti acholi in ti jaluo la dir wani in pet o team in peti acholi in ti jaluo pian weni ma ini wero weni chumpi luo
kamla
kari bet ka wan luo me Kenya pewa winyo le bume Uganda total entro kina bume churi chani chwale wai point mugo wa maru weni chi in ti da ten jaluo ni chake tin ameni kay dok Uganda kay wai ni in ti jaluo gibi kayo don gino mir in ti mabe ano tam ko bola dit me Kisumu kay dok gino mir in ti mabe your music petit pi acholi your music petit pi Ugandans or South Sudanese music here for Africa and the whole world. You are a freedom fighter, just like the late Lucky Dube, just like the late Bob Marley. You are a freedom fighter. You fight through music. You have been fighting for the rights of you people, and you people are citizens of all these small countries in East Africa and Africa at large. So please, from today onwards, stop thinking that you're small, you're very big. So in umiri what mawiya ila because in Sidama did Doni uwero luo worla ila which. So in from today, don't call yourself son of Acholi, call yourself Boss Mick, the original son of Luo.
I did, one of our kin me you komi and my look thinking at Dominic or then Patira. Our jola in kinma la did Michael nin operati danani donc amiro pene in mingi one music ichaga wene ngamo wego in the music
we achago in 2004 manyu kada tie 2016 no ati 10 years in music now ma an pia achago we no other language down Mario, all the long races. Luar Bawang Wen, in fact, Luar Bawang Abero, Luar Bawang Aparario, Luar Bawang Piru Beach, where am I? Takadonya ba, Namanama right, Namario. Airport car went, number chill. Got Tina Balam wage, but don't wait, don't ride my way, boss, no Balam wage, no Tina Mario. No down that way, don't Tino Balam wage, my pellar. Number now in position kama mwana wajo number now ubero number achel ara mwejo mwaka bishel mwaka abishel mo from senior 1 2 3 4 5 6 amwejo mwaka bishel is secondary level ki angwejo mwaka dek primary 5 primary 6 primary 7 arabero number 1 paka mago penye P7 mecher senior no ana ya loy mwech primary so now mwaka bichiel ke mere ke mwaka dek 9 years of success in mwech maber number 10 number 10 now certificates udur kuma level me primary level me senior and then level me national level mono wachero ngoje na mbole gin more discouraging and enchini war ag gulu wabion waloyo mwech gulu uloyo kikobo me mwech consecutively for 5 years imeba kila peto no breakage gulu number 1 overall dauli Uganda gulu number 1 mwaka erotum gulu number 1 gulu number 1 now Muhammad wabiro na Mario chwe mo pelare madon du gulu dugni anda peken no do ngapenye sina 6 gubio no ngoti mudana chong so inone ongwejo pikar malach ento dano ma utio ongwejo ngei dano ma peo yomi yine nana ntika cherka tuwe dege me cherka representing Uganda Lutien were so discouraged Lutien were losing hope mo achako neno ni apoka team deep to Uganda atete mutiti kito adonye kere we mada ngwejo we ngwej pomer tera woko kari ka ngwejo mabeyo nya ngwejo maraj ben fut petera kamo chawa ni lubando mia tuko mengo katuko ne petera kwanya because in life there no you money where you no kwa any kwa silo arawa yira pe inga polkare kwani ka plan B girl plan A failing plan B
yeah
so music don't be as a plan B but I do music down that only music not plan A yes so I do music 2004 because 2003 na apenyero sina 6 2004 na ten sina 6 out open kitung Kampala jininge ngoma yantimodo
yeah
mo char bir la fon school pito tono ko resal mo char timo wandong we
udonye meka gona
we so from 2004 to 2016 what you we non-stop music ma an patika for ne ke kana arabi waji kudu we me northern Uganda ni you know anati gangwan fiat amna workshop mamana birlawe church pikar malaji babana birlawe moni the way school pikar malaji mamana birlawe school zero and megan is not an accident anda kwanye jimi ma ndo wani blood of music you know babi oni twelve bir ketno tieni because ona na ngweja yetalu gima ariyo madon pelare
yeah
Pierre ben ko babana ya bila ngoj maraj mada imoni to pa moni now ma cha we dano bunana chalo latien mo tie ka chere we la dit mo ne mo wacho ani uno twero we uno ngeke mo du kongo wer kere duan ma du kongo wer kere uno twero piano no lo do
de ran nyang chon rumba ge fanko ge
rumba pa madiru gi ngana you know
what we get ma meuni
me gone la dit mo gero pe entro ikarma ara donyo ara mero foilu ba pian an gimo ke ma ara donyo ye wa ma for an impact wa yang Ana ti Italian ma Paul. Ngwech abe ngwajo odong. Kadi ma la tiana mo udonyo ngwech ana be nero kid me supporting. We aware odong. Anyur bodan ni an atwero ngwech angwejo. Bulo wanyo ngweyo. Anyur bodan ni an atwero we aware bulo wanyo ngweyo. Inge mwaka mama na nakanyim amero nyur bodan ni an actor. Because way man aware these are movies.
Yeah.
Aren't the actor mama and a poor woman kono Mr. Sophia Melanda kono she won't go
in terms of your mate.
Airport car wa bodan ni gimone arapete ni mabeba romo chwalo kaka modan to ye because ya wa bodan antoba an abi berla we mo mangat mo twero peke dara wagi yem gido barkar ma do we atimo in and out kuma dan ron yang an we ay manda acha wa bodan ko ni an atie actor maka do ka acting actually you low movie dum Richard ma pelare actually mi rugo gunen kidme embracing gunen kidme welcoming daro makiri chente chingi more kita lo bodon kere yini pede mo wani woda ngade yetu ergin eni woda ngade no be studying anga mono maka wati yukere chiro mo chato wa nyoro mo chato je mwani as a big brand mo we odo mo wo wilo kenera chiro cha onero kidmano wada
No guy ba.
Eno ka chiri fu neno ya wudu jok pe bino lo mo ki bora kolo la tena ngaro pe lo nyi tia ngeni ga ta si ana tika chiro ka donyo movie acting maka dire baja ko abi cha comedy lo mo ngaro boku we stay down here those are comedy already
Yeah.
comedy do meno gilma we daro nyero gilma we entertaining daro comedy do meno so what a cha comedy ka donye real acting ka dire ma yedom a giro ke business now mono ikitma umero ngeni an atikwere eno donye we 2004 what year 216 foot I'm still around Jimmy Mategu mo uriya chunya ki wetie Jimmy mabeje ma andara no ki wetie agyo gon kan mana
por ba take la dit pos mi kanya pos mi ko bere ka wajo ga ma Paul ma beja ma kid ma ina do kadi we kid ma gana bere ko le wo woni pos mi ko bere la wula ngoy ngat mo ngoja ma tak ma genne a chole tegi ngej ene wan wati kan ki onen little nen tigi tam kanam por biro pen ki pos mi ma lo kom mi te fere kom we
Yes, kona tigi follow up kin ma eno o waje kede midi ma eno bele kede kon we ni eno o tema waje ne taban tie tego na bere tie bene yo do bere tie lakin tego ka tie wanena ni wan bogo ni po neno tego ma eno bere ka no ne wanena eno o kanyin because o breaking we were no breaking line money o kada nyim kin mi ok i state any eno bere kati mongo tell example ma wangeni wategi young artists ma tie gankunu gitie bene and then gitie ka mere gini bien music tari tie generally and ochago kido music tari maino chago ni ochago manining because nyanga neno kono giroege gi en ni mano ngano tie la kubukubu and then ogla kubukubu mira mono ogon wa mono kide and then
kidma we ne tika tam
donc kede pieni tiani donc ko neno yoli tika loke la kubukubu en ko mono gon wa tela kubukubu na mi do ngene en kidma music pere en chago gila kubukubu ni walo chago man regularly and then gimo kene ma pamiro pen ma duong in mero gi pen ma duong taman rasta anti rasta jomang yena kuno ngeno with more end dread lo man take any mono piandal mo ken pen waje nyere mono Dear Rasta, near Rasta, Lomi Rasta and Loget Wong. Kai ne Rasta automatically Lotima associated India in Unicolo Marijai. Yeah, that's your money. So, and made a monogon, one monobon in your Jumatia when you want to young. So, I can't organize my room here. Basically, my middle, kid my child music, music, Mohammed Chago, and then one of my papilla tag la Kubuku, and then locum ye moon and I'm going to way more than anywhere.
Okay, God take Bosmic. Miron yang kid my child can we man my child can in Marani. Locum ye kid my twala in
No, Jaletia way, Jaletia Marja. Interesting. Loktikuman. Ma piacere lokojemu ma Paul. We ana chako we ikar ma peroti lobachuri. Lobachuri eni actually South Sudan, actually Uganda. Aluru magiti West Nile. Lao magiti be Northern Uganda. Karamajong Tesu ti Northern Uganda. Lugwara madi West Nile. Anaberka we be Danawa Mauno Gitie in the camps. Danawa Manogitie Ilwen Duruko Quene Lan Willow. Ay, you. I don't care. I do Lan Willow. Top are you? Top man Motiro Tina to the war. Mono Wena Machel. First song. That no. Pega be on the way on any way Machel. More come way Machel. Ma Arati Gula High School. Senior 2. On a way to Oko we are. A bottle of milk in down a bottle of Kindano. She way Korea. Gerno Gilwane, Team G. Pian, I don't know any the one. Ning match and my nicknaming any guru and any Team G. Now G, at your look my G, Kayi Namor, Pebe, then gangster.
Yeah.
Gangster. More leopard to America. G-Man. Dano Guru Kuyum, when you team G, tell on team gangster. So Dano no picking up a poor gangster, ki maybe Rastaman, a gangster, ki maybe celeb. Downtown of me, not I don't need area money because I was a celeb since I was a young boy. I know down near my dwong lawyer don't went. I know I was the most popular student of our time because ka donyi dom kakamoy ken ki jola kin mo gano dano tika jolo boko lo ka cha boko dano cha nyer wa chon kano ni yam ki jolo an pi we ko dano nyer ko aloñ ma pelare kakamoy ken ma do kari wo du fonye te ka donyi ni tabista group
No, dano be talk nyer.
What kind of chulo the comedian? Don't chulo in. Don't you learn wa chon kara.
Ka donyi staff room kono ki luwa ketika meru penya penyu ma romi ya punishment ando ka penyu du fonye question lu fonye lu wurgi da nyer lu fonye Tell I don't want to tap down here. I don't know myself. Now, no, I tell them what you are watching. So, Gichakanyano team G Igulai. No work long one more thing long or ta. In an could man fashion manian in it. Kenan wa will bomb woman, we like Kirmo Peta. No, we were poor our high school time. Because high school time, where you're working on we're a bit a little unique. You attract people, give them attention towards you. And one Timo. So I was the only student. Ma kid we in school. Na kid we are when mga ngiye wa lu fonye bi no da ka wa na chela ton bi me a paris no timo. E alo tero gena no a ton bi do class. Kino kana kwa no chela ton bi no don ka no kid we pa chela mo.
Te don ton bi.
Dek dom. Daro nyedo ke beriamo ki school ba gena no pe beriamo. Nyedo ke beriamo. Cha ka nyao team G. Wait. Team G. So Karwada joining where they were not surprised. Madam OBs and OGs giving any boss make take away, they were not surprised because no Jim team in school because I was even in MDD, music dance and drama school. At the same time I was a very staunch Christian parking lega. So when not here one choir members, one Jomo is scripture union. Is school. At one point, Bene, his school maybe. In fact, 3 times. Gulu college, like Gulu High, like Ibi. Kiera's entertainment prefect. Kiera, that is under MDD, because the down and Wamaro wig me. So Jimmy Chakachon. Anyway. Chiro Jema Tego ma arano we enemy iloba chuli Dano Quero receiving one with that positive attitude.
Yeah, okay, exactly.
Dano each time I want to take a car, no Dano logo only the negative things about us. Ludira chuli win kind and pamu daro young. Ludira chuli are the most selfish elders I've ever seen in this world.
Come on.
Kadinka community ma anbene pela tien gini. Gilua gikerapin. Chigi miya chiente. Ni wera me lok ming owe ogen ge miel mama yomo igima pela
Lok ming
petego la winya din ka pengele bachuri ka winya chi winya manok buja ento no la tina chuli ka ge miu a group of elders padinka give me a chance machala appreciation ni you made it, man. Kanyango mielo lingale again. Kumiru lok ming.
Mielo lok ming.
Iye lok ming. Juba lok ming. Wow, Yambiu everywhere. Eastern Equatorial Kachawan. Lok ming. Louis Lobang, Mobiru governor. Me Eastern Equatorial. Ulua umia. By that time umia dollars. Ma. Ulaka 2 million Uganda shillings. Lobang po chuli. So it were na ngoma arte lokoren dong T point. Eto chiente money actually elders guberu penji guluane enoba utima de pile wiwa kumri leba chuli lung tika do metro pe kono ki lunga di kala rodi mo timo mo o kolo ludira chuli ka waro ya karo mako daro nem daro ki wang pa ludiro ne lutino ini kawa konyo gi giram bedo la nyot me lo ba chuli ma be ma pelare kolo they don't think along that gina ludira chuli ngeo eni balo nying lutino bulu wurigi ko eden nyapa gire le nyapa ngari tika longe la awumu makonye pedo loya mana gina ludira chuli timo ko eden nyapa ngari ngari bena tala mi mara me we ko nyaare longe kila ming mo makonye pe gang kiyobo ayoba ka ka ine nero ni Latin money only gino moti ko pa Latini makake yobo twero pilu bi kahalo. This thing is all about anga makelu yuera pajo
nga ma we ko nying gang winyo
nga maromo we ko nying gang winye. Don't wait until karme election romo chi wachini man wa chwalo nga MP man wa chwalo nga MP. Don't wait. Ngati mo ken ma ukati menen gweyu dilo o gwa mabe Latin mo gweyu dilo ko properly maka kati di badar bir ki ngera pro ne girno mo ne that force mo we down don ching pila Latin money only. Yeah, the people know there is some force behind. So why don't you follow Latin ero mo chiu neni Latin we romo la ko ni we ngeche matikere ni pe oben ngeche me yuga pakara
come down
mane gyon malu dira chiru donkere ero lo mane ha gude ngari ko mu yai ma ta mano ngitika we ko mano pobe konyo wa we kumberi down lon kere we is a business lo dira chuli inject money ya ikomlotia money ya giti atata in kari kwani cherwa university kari kwani cherwa kwene girma pir tek ene chente girma kero lo nying daru support it mona gina tie eno do dira chulity so selfish gimero di makem ge now mono pero ma chel mo tikere
come down
pero ma rio mo tikere ine ka do nyodo wigido giko ketam chiro anyim pa kahaberu pake pian lu dir what is self-centered gina ka pedon tie the immediate gina you don't get the immediate beneficiary see it should be their relative
na mero no ngina
ka do relatives give petu yar no gina be si o gina mero pekiti kwere ke bwato chi o ne ko gang now pero mo kene Lutera chulo wero. You ask yourself, pen we pin boss me wero pin mwaka bo wen. Wuji me. Boss me actually boss me wero pin mwaka boro. Makwone peloke.
come down
Idi amwe. Man fu dwa watu bo lutera chuli. Petting atoma makonye ke kene loboni dan ene wagendo dira chule ni kai chako do poko ge mod kita dano no ke teach jomo kene we are linked connection ni o la tema mara ti gang kuja uchi ko university ti do mo no ni ka wunye ni ti mo no me ka mo ke ngo ge chi connect ngo eno what ka bon ko cho application o chwali I address li eni mone kita gang beru kwere endo in la tempo meru ti ko kwana university o bieno duguti gang iti ko juda pajiro kwana mega po kwana paji latin meru latin pa kara latin pa lobo wa me access me no ko ma yot through yini cham
yeah
blockchain te odd actually timo business lo why selfishness ni an la tien pa ngaro mo pe lo nki koma mo kera no giti yes
That's the reality.
I think I tell you what you the difficulties, the challenges, ma one kede. Actually di mago aki guru, mago aki kit gum, mago aki pade, mago aki amoro, mago aki South Sudan, magiti Juba. Actually di thousands. Nikitaka weekend biyo ka yini mero nyangi lubiro actually are very selfish people ka weekend La dire actually a cher ka nam bon mari. Dek nam bon actually le word. Clear out people. I have studied actually in and out.
Come love.
From the youth to our mothers, to our fathers, the elders. Come in then. One of the and in Jaliganga, what it end? What he said can be what end, what end, what end of weekend. Nearly,
Cherka nyama no wakuja.
Cherka mat wabon mari. Why bo darani? Wa a weekend no bolani. Never wow. Secret ma wati kere kan da ma wada ma chalo mego kinga ngene wat jale cherka discuss ngene da khone waki idukan pa kama pat secret pa chulu dom kuja ile mami jori beno na ram kiri ga marja an kolo da tena maro pa langi koma now mono pa kama wati kere you know ni the third one Chente maki chulu ke wan ine dum waji ne let mi beno pa waji challenge madong dit lo ikin challenges ma waji yaro gi ko wen ma wando ko gi ko wen challenge madong let lo ene kit me chul yebo wan te actually lu la lo ka Kampala cerca we gulu cholo million ngwen million beach million deck million ngwen million beach entro no chola we chel cerca million o chola we chel chel boy wine o chola we chel chelo bebe cool o nyokilo radio and wizo million beach. Ento actually lo la tem actually ni mir ko bio katen raising la lawa. Chi waji irni atigali mi ario piri. Nem the gap. La wemo age Kampala ke chulo million de onyo million ngwen onyo million beach. La we me gulu we we jan bien wele no tie bien gwa wele ko ali miare kitung bora chuli matiki business bi woni ende gwa ma pelare
Piene ke menali miare.
ko actually matiki business ma eno lo kamelion
Ya luon kamelion.
onyo lo la la hale bi woni ende gwa ma pelare donc ben no bir ki mon wax kere
Ande ti business ma tay.
ana ya kir kamelion ya ana ya kir kamelion le wit pe maro ni enemy million de onyo angwen ya bicho wo e boru ga
Gango.
million e boru ga ke ele miario chirim ali miario donyo tiena di e million de how many times kada miaro me level me mingi libidon Jeff Daniel imiaro namba dano fulgan ku jawu da people mira khona ba jak sensitizing lu dirwa man dab gil ma no ni we na ober we wo bar me chawa miro ka jak go we sensitizing lu diro kito mir ke kel ki lonyo gan
Come long.
kito mir ke kel ki lonyo ilo ba choli because kala we me achulu lonyo tian lo kan tian ne and spending gang la we ma chiri kare don waka chala wo we wake do be ko na la we ma chulu waka ne en lo yo o we wake
Pot chira we ak buru
ke be we lo jime ke gang ma nyore konye futie pe wa ya jale konye pe bora jale waka ma da konye futie
Ande potie.
pian we lo ke gang
Tiene better, you know.
mero pa re ma di chok gang kenyo wila mero ngo de wa ngo di chok kenyo ero la wila la ha ka no chen le tap chen ka wil to gi Now ikomali mi ario wane bene umira warenga wilwa Kampala.
Uter ke.
What are they lost though?
Lost the
Lost maturity. Lost maturity and lost maturity. Chien tiga a ke sia chuli chero bon rapar. O da kare me will. Piara chuli pe winye. Umiro chata will wa Kampala. Monyo la no chene ko million beach isho guru. Rayon dugo ka will Kampala. Pepe no yero baj muni ba. Baj meteo dan guli po yero. Yero marka agi. Aya, rayon do ko Kampala. Uno yang ko kore na hotel yo ka will wa Kampala.
Kelly mi ari on wang.
Kelly mi ari chene na tia yero ka don bon tuki. Ina mune gina tia time. So gin ko ma arja ko ni ti wa bot politicians, ti wa bon ko renen. Aro mi ra jak fonyo lu dira chuli ketamir ke kel lo ga. We have to sensitize them because they don't know. Gino we were young, another pain than Uganda, down to Bureau, Lubualo, Kilmer, Pian, Chente Waketo. In market, Mamegwacha Mediterranean, we are only spending, we are not receiving.
Yeah.
Yini, Tia Gamachanawa, Chualo Gangi. Lulaga, Tia Gamachanawa, Chualo Gangi. One what you can mean, American.
You don't make do a chain pere.
Simple example. Irom Kimego. Maki pound in being a go la 10 palalono. Maki chirin la 10 pel murkori can my. That is the best example. You know, you can't run a pee in your house. Et puis il y aura une tire per la tienne à pierre que n'aura. Comment vous? Derrière la tienne au quoi il y aura une peine à il y aura une chibuque. Donc il y a un papa et quoi la tienne quoi y est. Et que le papa il doit la tienne au chamana au bord il boit au Kenya. Donc il y a la logno tiche maintenant la tienne ti ma be comme moi il dit que mi dit ma mia que ken pa ke tam ki kech u keriobe ilori ko ne kai na chi wani cham de kala ten mi riemio piene ti akoro chilling ali ba pa we beach we ke chi wil ki moranga ki lutioni me ko mak tota ke on ta frustration ke mer ke kech ke mer ke tit matek you are gone kanu lo ba mi mo ha pierre bor me beri lo ni ibi beri pe mo ha pierre a deck will beat again. Ta. So give what you want kaka. Enti we penalty nyai komo mapelare. Tiente wa lu roga ye chamun. La dira chuli u total mater chao kan ke chwalo chero chilu muduro we ra. Nyugo cheri Somalia chilu muduro mater. Ka dugu Teko piedi taki de chene miruchak balo ne di Kampala ken chon. Biro o gulo luon tiara po megene ni biro go ba fali. Au ti go mar fali top. Won ti jumen me go mar fali kan ti ma tek ma tor pie dano. Teko go mar fali to me tap lu gero lu guwi bar ngora ke jar ka gamne wa Kampala. Kon inde ne to transport eni mirki Jori gwane we wana o kunu bo we wana o kunu wa yupi ot mabe wa mero ko chwale wa chena maket man watika chwale chena ke ken tu kuja. This is the worst challenge ma watikwere aya the way ma dit chalo an chalo boss me ile winyuka a chori tika da ni boss me kwa na yang chake we ko ne pelake. No, quarter lock no ye to do thing on kai ko Timotown ya. In future ko wa ye to do Timotown ya wel chen ke boss me ka wa be dan mo loy. chameleon gi jenye gi wak gi nyate ma ilepe no siente ma ke chulu ki jonni dodo megwa tiana pa sire ngali ba beach tiana pa no tichile andi ali Pierre Beach ko now chameleon keka go you show launch ali Pierre Beach
ticket
yes cher ganero launch ali Pierre Beach VIP ali mia shell ali mia rio eto la tierra churi ka you show okay lu tierra churi ki cher gidonye show kuno lu tierra churi mati Kampala
gidonye VIP
cher VIP be no lu tierra churi ti be VIP tam gu o bay leri ku chula ali mia rio chula VIP ali Pierre Beach no chula ron ordinary ko ambe giti amarre ma teka de da chuli pe pour ko monty o yana bandan mon in a way me organic be supply so in the whatever at the end of the day you know ni chene majale in uchwale ki mon kane iye kuja kara de mia chene mago mara kara de mia rio kara de mia rio mago mara no chene ma ero chulo VIP we de mia rio manyori ngato spending with 600 boss me go team tiga lekini bini chul aliba beach wotiki show kai ni boss me go ngi chok chene me no aliba beach me ngo boss me gibere ki chol aliba beach no to pajo madu mundu to pajo come
and me where we come
to pajo we tam we ni bedarma compare the comparison with bedarma ni kuja amio 200 kaka any is it really worth giving 5,000 yeah 5,000 be ana initiating wa actually no kichiro show aliba der show no aliba rio karo ne ma dit aliba der ana do ne ma white joma an pege bi chola aliba der kanga rapport chola aliba beach we oberi en gina mo wa yango ga kwatin karo show ma dit aliba beach kono show aliba kado kara aliba beach no la wemo ay Kampala
no jome Kampala yo bino
leba chili wani goyo gwok kinero ki bor mo gwok peti wele mo biyo jito chako chanye ko ne ha wanga kon in won gang ikwanyo do go ha ka chino ka wele ne ne o
go kar ki koya
an kar pera tek loy pi gwok le ni ta gwok no ti adu wi chako yin so more permanent challenge romano watikere please the kind of money ma wunu mini wa ma chale won kahawa perama wa pm we cannot dano chalo anne bajal uno mira chulu for marai team teka li teka cha god ko mi we team teka team kanu pe tek team pe o kamu team ti yani Pierre warwa yeta ka chuli jan ina anka ti se ayer won bulu kan jiboti me football gang kuja
da ga chuli ko
one not in stage no gen yer an bera yer gi stage yer do wor be ke miel
ye gode ke
buker wor ke yer buker yer min mara yer min kana biri ngara chunye goro ki yer hawo luwe mo kere ki yer ko kon ma to ala pego ta o ka we mi ta ko tu yer na chon wan ere kero e yer wo do wo ba tik kada bi le ko wa mi re ro jari mi ngara so more challenges ma wano ti yer
beautiful Bosmic wo wunya ma pol bot Bosmic kid ma pego me gitie kede kid me go we la ba choli donc go wunya ma duang Bosmic ko be ga waja kid ma chuak ma meo wana choli nok kore I kom lo we ma meo magang magi go we choli magi tama ni mira choli mira fodo mera nyim o unyo we ma pira tek ma bos mi go e karama a choli mi no la Uganda giti peko ma pol kar mi muony kar moti peko gin ma bos mi go da ma ko twin ngat mo ke ken kada ma pol ma pori unyo we ma bos mi ma go to pa jo we eni fodo gat ma chukati la ma we eni ma kai dok ka unyo ne ino ni gadu ju wen mo time we eni ye be ka choko twin wa kar mi peko eni me chera nyim donc wa mere ki lo ke bos mi kan eni tika unyu waja bor wani mi miro wana choli wana wa kwanyo kare wa miyo teko mi dongo lo go we me go wan mi pian ki tika chungu tero kaka me mi chera nyim donc bos mi wa geno ni mono Unity Australia tu ma meri wana Australia wate ke chwak matake komi o wena na wate ka bino kan min na wanywa ka choli mati Australia kimaro ine to wana ni ina ye chugu ma tek te karam no e kare duju man metela mai tika ko we ene gin ma tego ken ma bere go ma poyo we chori pigira ngo motime e waja pego me mo tie ko we kit ma pego mi chene tie pego mi ngotie donc po nge utiki group mo ma yebe un lo go we ma we ke cha go cha ka dana mo ken ma wunyo gi ene ki tamani ko ja gi mi ro konyo un pien konyo dane group gi yot gay dor ke wagi konyo ngara ci la ciel ko pege ngeo gi gi na teme ko de no waji mo we kenyo
ya mera waji we pero tie wa bodwa nena na waji no an party kan ka ci mo wang lu de la choy ga kan arabi ci mo wang wan lu we
comme là
pien man pe ko kaka
yeah comme là
kaka ma gor na tiye mi on bena ye weri won bene onen ni okay jare bene ye gor ne
comme là
wando we won ko nyo wani ni
comme là
wando we bene watiki bal lu we me northern Uganda me achiel pe watika tero we char business ma per tek
comme là
wa boda me gulu boda me kid gum boda me northern Uganda kumrigiti ki offices ma megi
comme là
eto wandu we o bol pe mi rwate ki tuangwero pe mi rwate ki boss make pe mi rwate ki jaria pe mi rwate kon ki nga pe mi rwate pe ko ma dit
tuan para come
ngat man nero ni are da dira loyo ngat man nero ni are da dira amira wuci mo ma dit mo we tin boss make tie la we ma dit loyo kumana ma Uganda boss me tila we ma dit loyo ilo ba chuli mon ti achiel lutina chuli ma no ge goy we chan no ge tie
comme là
ma an put pia do nye we no lutina chuli ma ge goy we chan tie dida Moses no tie frudo nyen jari ya per no tie tempro mono no tie rasta cobra no tie DJ la ngono no tie lukato liu no tie Rosli no timo no tie wero ki London la wala no tie wero enero we lu we igi madon we no tie o team alpha zaite no tie
comme là
yendom pen wi e no don team dara wen tika da boss me il pen wi boss me wa gi kwene Dimo no tie ki luone beeping maro mon luwe no ti luwe leo pala yem kona luwe no ti luwe maromo apa wiye bisien mono dongiti we ka kwara we ma ara ti ko kwan kila yibini no luwe ti luwe maromo pa wiye bisien
comme là
emto karma ara donyi we music loke ara donyo kigir mamon wajini approach matters right now dan do go we to alla mari kono ci wali jomo yae kono ara bi goyo ma armira we eta bi goyo tion mo ke ken mano o miro message ma mega por wa te pala we mo
comme là
You have to know your target. Eating away ping on. Arabic away with the target name. I must be the biggest northern Uganda singer ever. That was my first target. And then my second target, I must be the richest northern Uganda singer ever.
Come on.
Target man number there. No, I tell you, after music, I must join business.
Come on.
So, can be done. Jimmy, chairman, I already planned. Have to pick team more man do what you could chen pebion. You use your own money. You use your car and Fracha car war, I'm here for the ban. Fracha car war in 2012.
Come on.
When you're 10 years down the road, give up.
No, for it here, painful.
9 years, give up. Makano chunya po betek, I would not be here. I would not be still in the game. No kona weho. Chi, afoilo ba, jomago chokochuya, jomago nyurama, my fans, mona jomo mira fog, ma perong lare. Pian kajime tek, kajime mero beru tek, your fans, why ni boss me, one chene pepe no miro, konyi mercho, ina ye do, ina ye en. Mono, those were words of encouragement. Chi, bano yo, anatika duomere, atia waineni, wando bano yo. Young in northern Uganda looking at way as something for him. Yai, Gimo Merma, Normal can makir penny and aromative anyway. Not thinking any music could be a profession, but that not you business. But today we have shown it, we have proved them wrong. Nitam magitamoni. Gutam kilong. Music is actually something very important.
Come on.
Music is business. The way we failing forming groups. Ilon down bin we are kibet kitamashel. Down magibino ne gemeri gibin. Gen gibino a group. The way you look a boss me like on what you win your go below that. Kwa ubimke gore kenen way forward waramono donations nini waramono sponsorship nini waramono equipments nini waramono how do we progress iluwa meeting the way when lokata
kwa mira
boss me tamane en we la mahal en to controlling the dara way en tawne en mirene longa nia boss me mer signature u ka obe mi signature u boss me do obe lonyi ko mu ma gixi ano na di do ma longa ti longa be yo dog bomb no ma ki da ti ga ba lo tala wa ya ni latin kir gumer wi la mal min timu kerum signature o be lonyi ko mu rom char wal ti no wube ko ilwe si ribepe aya e karmo ana yene o ke opio to ngwero gen ki bol ana ya yerogi I did that today. I'm repeating this in Australia. I am not selfish and I will never be selfish. What I want is you maramo we one the way me actually wada
come on.
one in a way looking at pakara
Come on.
one in a way kamar wa roma arbe la we bi kar mala ya ngeyu kari ni way deg la wuri chala ngo ibi chere o parti ku jaw milke go we pa la wuri bene ibi ke petwaro because miri pa jome parti ini chere nyom ini goy weni we pa la wuri bene ko ichi ke
Paito.
Lu we mo kan ma mengu ber ko fuane. Ni romo wachero kamo wati inyum kamo kiluwa wan lu we madon adek ngara chel po o. Ngara pe o ni icha madon kitia goyo wewa. Wan jo ariyo mo o ni ngara chel mo wachero kare do. Pedong yeni ki go we pa ngado dong. Andra winyo ke goy wena ke goy mege ke goy wena ke goy mege we pa tian mo kano pe ke goy ne aya me achiel duan kado ni en duan boss me all the time ti ko ken panga ke mielo tu doctor ke no en duan boss me doctor ke no en duan we don't be all rumano go boss me go bol go trongweno go labat go nga go David go nga go man Jackson gi go nga go down way room because cha me nyum do karo man cha me entertainment dong down ti America miel gi nga go we pon tela chuli wen go pon lava boy go nga go we go lo mix go in please these are our singers. You know, piano in Kilua one equivalent tea pardon. What DJ one? Women me more permit to go kind. Oh, where my pay your DJ again. Away, where man or Mary Ariane. Man, don't you wait because you know where Ludira go wherever can mongi working agony. Go away, Mammy and away pile actually. Now, you don't make go and win again. You see, even me, never bed down my one. Kari wa anka ti we stage kenera go we wa anda goga kai chagodong mixing we actually Paul and money no man no tiga DJ on yang ni we mo kan ni bene we you see kan dong en fans go bien ni pe bas me kan ba fans ro mo bien ke pe bas me kan endro kan fans o bien pe dana o wen fan pa tuangwana be tie pa boss me tie pa bol be tie pa laba tie pa karche kukusa de gitie luketu li tie la nguna fan pa nga all these singers fans pa down in when go be in show punyo we kade kado we ma megini because every person has his own favorite yeah. Ini mar boss me ngarcha mar tuangwana ngarcha mar bol ngarcha mar laba ngarcha mar Pato, Narchamar Maria, Narchamar Miss B, Narchamar Pretty B. In Miro Nile Republic, Johnny Chan, Miro Pine Avenue. In Miro Upland, Mon Tamnofigi, Johnny Chan, Miro Jackson, Gay. In a Johnny Chan, Miro Davido, Giant Step. A collection of Lutiano actually in Kelo, what we call crowd. Yeah. And then when you have the crowd, you have the money. You have the money. So, money give me what you have for you kill Tiano wa me no bachuli. Wa me wa big group. O we ko me whatever timo gini kwe. Were you meeting? Ke pe da we meeting wo ya to ngwa ba meeting no. Ubi no da. Pia da bi tiba. Da bi no wa boxing no. Ni okay. Le wo you meeting ya wo you meeting o bolo ba meeting no. Bolo bi no cha da. Bolo cha cha da. O bolo me permatier. Enemy the way went to Corny, or bol Matiel, or bol go away Padano. We mo bol Berga go in South Sudan in the Wang Menu, making away. Man, we Madano composing, Lieutenant actually boss me composing, was I tell composing and now composing. And bureau law words, they can quite beautiful. Cherokee and England, you get down it. Well, correct. Cherry win way for bolo or mot, win way for bolo be known to cooperate on Northern Uganda take a car. 11 more or is a cheat because guy in pet were composing you song and then you hijack come listen when I don't think I look we ma did lo bachuli when ma yanke goyo ngom mati ya gagoni ngom kwaroba do ba do ka pajo je ngom kwaroba ngom mati panye kwara ngom payo do ka pajo jan ba winki bul ngom in all the way machalo bol chero lo we lo go yenyim dago gen ke tware ke ken we matipe ka hachuli mo mi be mo ka chara do wati group ma engin daro yebe group ke mi tam ire yeah ke wani we matipe ka ha ko be pe ka ha now champa la borra champa la bor cham kon bel pa wogi cham ko ini tini chere goyo ki politician ra chere kan aganya ye la tela we pa kara uchi do we pa gan pier kan aya we man en mag wer ni gire pilo bana to yele kum pilo bana ana to ye ini chere lo we madar we kaniche ini lo ana penyo wiya kweje panyang katima bo tindo mabene ulur na tia ko pilo bana to yele konkompe. You are contradicting things. So in a meeting like this kawa yobo when we yobo ama jala we ma dir ampal worki ana we ma dir awani kakan you are wrong brother. Kakan you are wrong.
Come down.
Dama wana choka chene borgino me pewa kwalgi ka ara kelu tio na shen tio ma ara go we bot in and go we bot ya go we bot dara pa we are there on your pa be with the same tune allow him we can have cheated you. At the end of the day you are confused, you don't know who owns the tune. Ka in mean 1 million plus you are supposed to own the tune. Makani ya chere no a similar beat ya ko kama we won't have to we na pema because you own the tune. This is music. So more gimomiro wa team group si wa beti mo lebere.
Yeah.
So an afo e wurutwal won jo ma won lu an Australia ya yo mebelu ke dukai. We ta mo di the way attempt to wo. Bal pa we ben ma chara wan. Now nyewe kenwa chari kar jay noni an wan ge jari ano pe wa motte. Pitian lo mo manu ter kelwa but la chen wono an ma chalo tiba no ni bad business because I'm on ki jaria dar ma mar jaria tie jaria mon kera dar ma mar am tie na ro dar rio in ka wo go ka chen dar ba jaria tie dar ku tim tie what you say
Yeah.
Luwe mo ker mo be go realizing ni gini raji because ana realizing ni gini raji da bebe o we ko nyori o pe da
Yeah.
E to karbe ka pe wada umi wa pointing out bal padano ni ko bol yin bal kan to wel yin bal kan team yin bal kan ngari yin bal kan ci we omo I community mo kan ma peke choro ye dar choro pere yeah no bal ci one way ka o bicha o chere group we o no pon mo mateno te ke kenwa jima wi ye ngar mon correct jima wi le ngar mon correct wo bero mabe atamne for
boss mi matak gin mo ma pe attack mo te kanya ma me ne no ka the way ma go takwa me actually me no Uganda ki take group mo pn any we ko be pe attack
comme ara cha group ma ke the Nile Republic crew
come lo
the Nile Republic crew one of the members were South Sudan the tianoma upcoming Mawatika Groom again. The Nile Republic crew, one of the members were the West Nile. Dan Mawatika Groom again. The Nile Republic crew, one of the Dharwa Mumaki Kampala. Watika Groom again. The Nile Republic crew, one of the base in Gulu. Headquarter. It is a group. Mapena ara legoni actually Australia, actually UK London, actually Germany, Denmark, actually Luo diaspora. Ka kontie ma wunta mane eron boss me en ma ine dog gan wan mi computer en. Eron boss me ma ine dog gan wa mi camera en. Eron boss bien ko ini pon dano ke you rate me ire goli.
Come lo.
Wachi goli picha. Yurisham. To pay me chende cha we ni ni pe ni ke o gere ke man ke ngo ya breakfast emio
Me yo dano chama.
aya Tako yung tabu yung wiro dako ka to.
Dako to.
Udu yana keja mar kenyo ya lunch emio. Sapa emio. Ibi mio pa ngaro moti. Mi gimo ma enti kwere.
Ci dama ko wana.
Dama ko wana. Donc ben point dar kilmen no mo jemiti. Ero kai we betika mi ene amia ini ti anya go bali komi. Ni ama in petwer mi ene bidigula bali.
No gimano wa mera ni ano pe attack. Group and me wa ni we yobane. Roma chako le we wanye bere chal union for the we gilma chal pe kama ti wa ka ngan mo go we ke man mi le we gi nani go wa
gilmo we one were resorting to Nile Republic NTN. Le we pebi bedron kashel. Man mon matika kwilewu. Pian le we ti chala jogi. Ajwa man tam ne ene do yate tek loyo. Makaka kama jwa ko gore ye yintu kinero ketem gi muken no kum gi po. Ya ona na jwa na goro ko. Aya ka yini pe ni won yini po atata ko wani di ko ani pe mero na no lam kan. Mane team mati wo bolu we. Ka yini goro conference for the way top. Neno kita dar be beru kere. Kira ne dar beru freely ka o ke beru yini bibi neno ko ngiyo ni nga beru ko ne nga beru ko ne. Neno dar jomane ki tere ko cho kuya jomane ki tere ko winyo lo ko ni lo beru ko winyo ko ko juine. Ah ke utie mo yordano ha ko ka men ka. What timo meeting ma Paul. No we perwate. Chiro wano inyo ka jimi tima tek no solution. What was the option ngo mo waram timo ne? Where at least music pelta because music should not die. La kubu I have to appreciate certain individuals. Bol simple man opio tuongwero irom kero anbene ye kenyo kero team alpha zaite chora benen wori ini winyo kerno weyo kokke kero jera morgot shegele city boy kwantong kayini winyo kero rutino chuli weyo message heavy message mo pori pal twinduo ento ribepe chiro watamo no option dar ko ngo kato giti in cruise mo kato ta nemba gimo ke kere wiloboni miro a true genuine leader ka we gino nya nge ero ka in pe yeni lolo in pe yeni guiding in pe yeni lo white body perro pen bal kapay waju nya da ko gibaraj
Come
shiru we come right now as I talk with you Nile Republic is the biggest crew because dan the way yang kongo kwero ka don kuma gitika donyo don iye gitika biro do mapelare come right now as I talk with you we already started in number upcoming singers wakijo marungu can teach you. Right now as I talk with you Lukatoli notila did we anyanya kuru ka wipo Lukatoli community Nile Republic Geneti Nile Republic Elementy Nile Republic wachon Flex the Banton tie Sheripi nyamu wer anya dwe yomo chunya kono no kenyo tie luwe mapol community ado Nile Republic mwagani no wamiero do wando mier cha recruit because ano kumere pa pm gadie anda no words kia wakano ngelo ma wako kan aga dia no word no make boss me for you teacher kono mo agamo waka outside northern Uganda ki Kampala kujekwane okay man me celebrate girl me boss agamo ero pm iguluni anda furacher ka pm ni girkira yang anda pm 10 years ago I cannot go to do that I don't want to deny the upcomings because what hope do we give them ka wan jo madong fudwa gagero omer watero chalo kiba jomo kene timo kene. It's not good.
Yeah.
Omer wa mi opportunity equally mir betie where you know, because machano dara I will not sing until I die.
Yeah.
Time will come, talent paragir and otieno da gule in that way. We are moving to the, I'm already at the climax. You know, give a tip malo one more dog pin.
Come up.
Don't ka be dog pin da dog don't more no end otieno don't get dog and pin more no pege ya porre itu jola para gibichi ba mora yue.
Come up.
Ero ka dong ni ara gaggo jimi we kan ya mo por mo be chaka we bor ni agenda
Tie dong.
you don't you tie we yue. Anyway, so Nile Republic Committee Mabema won't count no your mome konyowa. That is the group. Because I have a belief. Nika kamadong daro gore around 30. Kuwiye. Ka wonjo ma wo be robe mi o kon bodwa. Miyo miriki jo mo kan me be group.
Itika lo kom Nile Republic kata dana mo be winyo gi ene gi mi don yang mak pole kom members ma bere ka kwana gin pira deki tie wara ka mo ki choyo ma ki kero chinge won ma nyuto gi en mo ilo ko ni choni office mo matin
one
tie gi mo yibo
proposal yes
member signing mala
proposal proposal enero ara ka kan me dok gang ene dong tia gal jemi wen pian arabi wache because jemi in the way no material when our signatures, our letter and everything, church manual acceptance from each member. Because what more on it by December, from Duma Beach, members 7 months, maybe 800,000. Because to be a member of Nile Republic, registration fee is gonna be 500,000 each. And then there is what we call emergency fee. Emergency fee, any kapero por comme la way, nyo ta por comme la way. Lo money wacher ka right and ki diguruni is old fashioned.
Yeah.
That's why when each member should come with it 300,000 as emergency fees. So now can now 500,000 as registration fee, membership.
Come on.
Can now 300 as emergency. Mono perma poratora.
Yeah.
Come la way chela chel bichulo 800,000 by December. Pierre Matam no very festive season. No ngatmano timo show no jogo timo. Ambene I kind of jogo mugo cherokede. Now we're rounding to round figure of 30.
Yeah.
We are plus 30 members.
Plus 30 members.
We 30. Now 800,000. Won't you put calculator really? 800,000 times 30. That money. If this is gonna be a serious crew, as I see, it is already serious. Out of that money. Out of that money, we shall be able to sponsor our launches. It will depend on the chart, whatever, on the song which is on chart.
Come on.
Irrespective of our levels. Keladi?
24 million.
Yeah. Now say ni 24 million dong waraya by December.
Yeah.
Met kichende mawatika charka team shows mapol. We shall be having around 30 million. Mecha hotel. Now me as the president of the crew, task matikede piachuri pepi Nile Republic piachuri because one of you run kara.
Yeah.
Ma actually Sudan, actually Uganda, actually Kwene, actually Luo. I want to have a center in Gulu. A center in Gulu, I need the land. Near Chama, Anatica Bioni, Anapenyo, Awani, ngom money matik ko pian wano ngom kamo I intend to yapo center mo gudu chiki wachani ngom is 15 million we are accessing ngom manjul ka accessing ngom 15 million because no donc I am able mecha ko keto
structures mo
structure but the gemabe timo kon any chui wall
okay
wall fence ma deep me land kon ke leveling land ko ke leveling o mabe do matimo ke leveling o mabe wo be pa ka ta pile ke nga ke leveling o weng mabe ke leveling taro si chui wall fence o ma deep tiendo ke ni project o chakre during festive season and mawati adok any mar chake demain par ciel par rio demain ciel demain rio demain de 6 months any kawaromo timo big occasions in that
place
no what chakoro muna ye tamma ciel ma anatika dok ma jal president but na republic group machene mukene mama watia yenye neke ngongo biti muje mukene amiro ni eno ubede cultural center but every weekend people come and we celebrate culture people come and we enjoy culture at that arena that is my mission that is my vision because I don't think it be one machalo luo we should have been having what we call Luo Library.
Come on.
Ma, ka in aki Australia, aki UK, aki Denmark, aki Germany, America, wherever. Take all the top igulu, piano mirko o gulu ka ichi South Sudan. Take all the top igulu, ko i donye center. Ichi goya dung. No, I don't at the center, I want at the center, Bulachulity at the center, Wango, Cow Mugutiano, the oil my camera. Meanwhile, you be in such a way, ma, Utiano don't know what oil my the center wanted to keep culture. Ka in Biro Daro, me work keep on Marinda, Mamma in oil center, or ye, Iran, Emily. Lakini no emi ochera mama no the dog gate.
Well done.
To develop. That's what I want to do for my people.
Anatama ni tamma wajo ene weng tamma pe tek makagi eno tio tama pol matama na tika wori lo del chol makagi kiro yoka ene gramo konyo dawo ene.
Yes.
Donc gin ma boka cha dana mi ro ne. Pen watiki ka kwar me joli gulu. Pe wangeo kit ma winye tiki ukedu pen utika promoting actually ma era ye kal kwara ni come
now you
ma gina ye no ki come mi beri ngeu
when look machalo meno area where one what ya tamani we as the youth we have to come up rise up and show the elders we are not happy with them why should I boss make decide we want no center mo maybe cultural center tiano ni ludi wrong they failed to do it
they actually failed
Luo kingdoms Luo chiefs ni chake ki pajok panyikwara kon kweni win ki bul kweni watiki ruodi ma ke nge wori gang chan gang par ruodi gang chan gang par ruod kweni gang po biro oy guru gang par ruod tu kweni kit gum gang par ruod tu kweni but these are dead family already Petika functioning kita what no meal but kweni it's not vibrant Guy Parodi went him and meet you little politics upon politics ka do mo ka ini mo nyoy politics mo may mo nyoy politics
no give mo don't
and arab way kalas dum tero ki ludirwa go mo nyo ludirwa go mo nyo ma Kai nen wano chao timo gili tap chi wangu be poli. Oh, we should have done this.
Come up. Yeah. That's exactly it.
Whatever poi wigi, kai chero ka poi wigi ju wa in Nigeria. Kilor geto. That's why we want to do it. We have to do it. Lotia ma wonu ti anwala gi Australia kan lotia ma wonu ti anwala gi wa ka din. Ka ge chero ga gichi fonyo culture ko.
Yeah.
Lo miel miel gar mag dong ti lo ba chiru kuja. Tie group mon ma dong group mon ya group. Ge miel no roti ga chero I program
Ka ko ruot pe no pa.
Gar ruot pe ga chero program ka mo ma ni dar chero ni a churi chero ka namo ye culture pa churi pe. Gar ruot ti ga chero ka limu go ruot na wor ka mo ene jomone ki woro ma ber no pe gitie in the rightful way kita miel kwara churi miel bil kede. Dano tiga go buole ki silipa tiene ya culture.
Ana miro rupnga.
Nemba lobo tiga don le bita.
Yeah.
Gimoga ken ma watimi lobo ni we should embrace development.
Yeah.
Kaya waro go la raga ki ko wa non wune ni wunu ki gam ku jeno mu miela ko bene. Yanke go la raga ki ko no. Achi na mien bebe ba. Udo we ularmere la achi na ya tata ko dar no kombere we are in the 21st century. In ki Australia kind ingeni development do biro pewa romo designing certain rook
Exactly.
mano chal ki rook wa ma young chon no in a modern way mano it keeps the culture healthy bene ma ber pedok do wana ngito twal piano doni ke wingo ludira chule ludira wati so rigid in thinking and party yor ludira chule yera because ka ini rom biunu kada in timo gemonu ngai ne anjone ara kwero logi
Come lo.
nen waro rate kamiel ipab at least waro keeping culture so culture tie we rom padare maka ini goyo litade janane lu we are trying to make sure ni history padana wa madon pe ruin mai kom chi ko ludiru luo ka chiel ki ludira chuli ka chiel ki kalkwaro they were supposed to be giving us even money
Yeah.
because can no chene ki bot government ko mi ruri gitika no chende
Pegitika tiyo.
They are not doing anything.
Go kate kwara kerenyin.
Wana tia go te kwaro now muti ruri but cultural institution mape bere you a competition among the youth how do you maintain the culture no competition among the youth no conferences for the youth no nothing
Yeah.
mir ke chok mer lutier padan mer me bion mer ka do ro ra chara kling ni cher no tiga cher ka koro ludiru politics iba road pecher di ba chega chuli wani petit road no magun yin road la wore
Pere.
really went down
Road dong road.
yin ki cher ke ker yin bero pen kuja aya la dit mo aga cher mo tiga lo wi wu ke dia da ga mo yin bero chan la bor in road ko lo yin lo me bor tie lo ni a chulu do sha because okay you know ke pen wi an ti rem par road we an kare ka ngar mo da amir da agwa ke bene
Mira kwa.
pian ara wayo ni now I am a symbol of power in petwer chako choko ano marachi ngo mi ran bena choki I abeni choko peni luo yo ya go timpe luo pe warlo do pe ara warlo do ma ara ti rem pa royal blood la dit ma pe lo ma ti me ko baje wi ara ti ga lego lu dira chuli stop being rigid let us move with the development wa no rook ma por ma peda pe ambe pa cha ni bulu ku ci ruke ma raj no ki cer ka miel ka cha ki ruke mer ma be decently and no o lo pe ki da lo ma ti ka biro lo mon meni banyu ko ro pudon ki ta gere be ku nyo no pe tie to twan Guinea is not all about me. Wangemiel ki koir no no culture. No. Culture kemero na kai miel. Mono ru ma lengbe meti decent ma bene ina wa. Ko uniform ma leng ki ngo. Mano dirwani kemero wa kado ngata football lo nyokore no foot petit culture. Gen lo dano pe ko lo nkogi. Because culture daro wengel
no ni rekimbe kilo ko
ai ne mo motika da ni kuma wati boss mixing about culture patuli mo yang nyo kilaum aro ila dir winya mabe listen to me and listen very carefully dans le anyira ma wono na ro giti mi video ni what you know ge on miel
no ge on miel
yes wano cheri party wado down o party mono ken ro lang mono ken ro ska mono ken ro komsi icha madong mielo cha khe inda be wai bodani ko na ore da ko gangu da ko chi ro ska ko dugo miel ka no imer chene gin ma pier tek ene ni normatika mako video cameraman has to be a little careful. You are not going to avoid long monologue because this is part of development already. And it will not be possible in you cannot unless you want to fail the rest.
Yeah.
Because next time go part of let us embrace development but in the right way.
Yeah.
My right to trial my penny to the way to trial. Any camera me wear more.
Yeah.
More. Yeah. Long better long a bad more pay and jam party marry. There's no problem. But it was party.
Yeah. Come on.
Chi Ludawani Gilo to 12 wala bomb chene mo bere. One chene megwa. And one mag year one way one you go culture. Wari okwanye chene waka wakero kaki goyo culture kati wane la ludo mo ko ko chene gepe gilu game pi chene gi bere peji ko showa si ara tamuni malupa kila penyo mo ne gin mano atero gami
yeah watiki boss week mateka what kane to America Australia 2016 walo mo Paul maloba check ta kwa o medani ma kid mo wiya koda omin wa bosmi teki group magen ke yobe mage meran de miro gi men gi keto gi mo pe makama kai woro a wo kanye ichera kuja ineno gama lo ko ma chole no nga walti no ngoti yani eni man gi ma dong ti plan ma bosmi ne rabar ko ma
yeah we will man now cultural center ka wano kero wamero another investment ma wano bikero ne a studio ma anati Australia kanyi abiro ka yenyo equipments because ma anadok London adok equipments mogo chi jem pa mono pe gamo tum la wachiel man do abiro me gamo burre mo mudong miranong sound card the latest waganda gitika nyo harwata twan miri ini chata goy webot ge Kampala gen bala pegi ngeyo culture ni nete go we do ko culture ne ci ku ñoo dong tena ci tie no bu fonyo production
yeah
aramero gamo equipments yora non sound cards or non studio monitor yora non keyboard and then non studio mics
yeah
microphone studio ene dina chien mu miro gamo e kan pia ma ke chata wa kuja ni pole no not mo gana petit first class
yeah
so mona je ma pigete computer kana romo no Mac and then sound card the best and gonna never one voucher for the best yet other tribes are going for the best
yeah
Aramir in the next few years to come, in 5-10 years to come, Mirno one bere with immediate effect ni wa ma nyen wa cha ko piem no ka ara dok jim igino wen ara mero ni music wa wan do mi piem at the top ka kama Nigerian sika piem ye wan do mi birkum kama Jamaica sika chero ye wan do mi cher kun lutier wa ma tie ma wer tie ya ma beju tie lutier wa ma ngi be style pa Jamaica de betie lutier wa ma ngi be Afro style pa Nigerian be tie lutier wa ma ngi go hip hop pa Eminem give 50 cent gini ya America de betie lutier wa be tie actually it is so blessed with a lot of talent and wa be timo mo where talent ma watikere ni ukelonyo it's all about ngama wa be timo where ukelonyo in northern Uganda exactly ni chaka from Gweyo Dilu to Ngwech to Timo Gimoi Ken sports medki music med enke teach bano don piano don wani bano kijanye ni ya giti office development mo dima wana pe aya gino na date no when enemy kai in nero betka nero from movies African Magic she been in music concerts marketing will of Jamaica America's Got Talent he been in Nigerian kind of music competitions festivals mo marketing he in Ghanaian music and movies he in South African music and movies he been in Parawa Ugandan music because only Waganda again no I bet YouTube I think I am logging in then match on Uganda music I jack na go comedian Timo Ngo go nga Timo Ngo go ragadi Timo Ngo ani you listen kwe lo la oker nyingi ken now one ma chale churi lu dir wata Timo Ngo challenge man and we will watch you ma mi rupe we will get any one TV stations mano ke share ni obet pere lo bachuli
come on
look at what is states look at what is Australia look at what is UK look at what is Asia look at what is Kwere one over kwa mabe wa okanyma mano gang kuja mono ke share ni je mabe jo bet pere
come on
ana dikila penya rio ni ngomar mo go TV stations pege ramote ne lowa gamente mano degi oyoke je dara wa ye gipere interest because furti wani download furu na ro chelu gi pi ne chera kalwa
come on very funny
I was in South Sudan touring Palwa Panyakwara Winki Bull Magwinga ya wang mada ngomar maraj kilobo luo aka ana wer ni wan no teno luo gamente anyo harwa lu diru luo wani boss make in wer lok ma por lok ma ni luo de joxo kuma do mati adonyo bilobo madoge okay now I don't know where one no teno luo na jakati anyo harwa pia atia nero infrastructures pere lobo wa roads just South Sudan you blame Juba you lili Juba you ngamarai ipajok yotie Panyakwara yotie imagwi yotie
yo pere
mayorni no tiara wa pochi mudugo ikar bagare no tiara wa pochi mudugo kisalfa gi no tiara wa po beru ka chel yake okay wana churi wana ngomara chilwa icher ni chel Sudan gangwa udongchen ibini Uganda gangwa udongchen the only Luo community magati very serious energy Luo jaluo lonyo mo mapelare because ikar madong lwenyi biro ani yang ni secret to be kuma ikar madong jaluo gu biro piny kuno ni gamo loch ke Kenya madwa na chingi ubetero years and years go embarking on education and business education and business kwan gi yenyo lonyo ke ken ngata petwer kwan ludiru luo kino yo ni business joma twer kwan chwal tero wo I take believe I have that feeling ni very soon Luo will be president in Kenya business man make what down ni radio stations were beje when will be controlled by the government lokomo walar ni wan odon peke ba ko bari ne cultural centers peke wan o peke gaile ga benedini ti papa dan pe gor ga chel lok me ka adon kelar ni ruodi bene peke ye dan gor gangi ma pol all these challenges important information about kara kinoni development pegangwa ki discussing nini calamity matika biro through lutela maluranye ki discussing nini chi jimno diwa wachalo kan kaka chuli ko wen because kado ni kwa mabedo ngunu nonki Juba kwa mabedo nonki Kampala kwa mabedo nonki Gulu ena kama kene do ben maraj nego kwa ni watia charanyim dano tika reo ke charo bunywe dano tika reo kanyi ni chero South Sudan Eastern Equatoria gacha dano reo wa dano cheri Juba aki itungine tung Northern Uganda dante ya reo Kampala mana ka reo bino Gulu rural urban migration now dante ya facilities ma pere char kuja wabeti mani ni la pen kiro ma gigene pera mera duma pon ma gigene lutela wama watike gini kono ki yera lutela wani ma watike gini kono ku kata pigi kengi lutela wama watike gini kono enrudi wa lutela yuma papa anyim pa karachuli wan machalo karachuli what is our future going to be in the next 10 years 10 years time to come future wanotini that's the big question no actually when you pen wa penyo penyeni piano tele wa magang kumiri gi bwaro kakao because everybody is now a beggar at home a beggar has got no choice so la tela in rembo la tela ni la tela in do ko wado la tela no tia re chero ka lega wado olam big politicians mom you gonna go coin we gonna go mini loans in case we cannot access loan to board government umiru lutele madoma megwa magiti lo chiru ngel nyingi miru gena coin wa ke rio board government genda reyo you know chiru ka hatia chiru ko manyori ero kawati wa banti gen pe yi wan yan ini yiru government ini timwo ero geno maraj pe ero ka ini wani o geno maraj do pe ngo chanti odi dano ai ka dano tiga ringi lutele ne we katika karo kari minister kari ngo kayi mir nyang ni ka ti marai pian ikum la tere ni kum no mir poring dano kai pe la tere we jimi rai do en we jimi pe rai pingo ka la tere ti karo ki di town yor marai an wen mar wanga do karo town Gulu bodong te la Kampala ka do wani jan wa mer yamu donc do ki pin donc rien dana rien now
man po take la dit boss mekanya ayano beraga tito kin ma ko te ga loge kede kin ma mira wani an kede culture to atie mira one nanny what embracing culture and then change material me or what you change you know what poor me ngej munu but what I did donc I take pen maybe I pen more ni boy gam mi gam munu era ye tam in tell way ni you know I logo nin general introduction peri ini take family
ana take family ya tiwa kilo teno yeah
okay
ma na logo ni wen a logo future pakara chakage koma because kari ini to ma tek ma chale yina nyoro ka che kara futi ki pera ma dit ya nyim bi beri ni mo la pen aya jubo ker ma wiya wil wa yi daro ene lo tiana wa magati in the diaspora what is disjointed man mo ma arabi na bino lo tiana wa they are not in unity. They are not together. Lutiano pa nyekwara timo meeting to give part. Lutiano pa jok timo meeting to give part. Lutiano bo America team meeting to give part. Actually Uganda do worse. Mono worse. No.
Yeah.
Actually Uganda do worse. Man kibabila no ko wa kan. Actually mo agi guru. Gebel part. Actually kid gum kono pa ay kay o kid gum ko wi pala be wada wan be rawti pa
wan ben pala back
this is nonsense namba an pe ona ti pedong ni ka arabian wo Australia kan mo jolo an o mirong anda wo ndong dum pe be waji bu maraj ina je maraj wonti wo kan yuti ka beru wo kan but kigang no we do adore you so much we respect you in the diaspora here you people are not united. Man, do you want to see no lim? No, ni. Pero ma yang wati kere gang, nunu kwa bo kere o wengai. Yes. Because ke gang ka chani, no dog gang pa jomoni chani, pe lo ki dog gang chani. Lo ti ko pa ngagi pe gon ki dikal pa ngagi. Jomoni chani a jore ke wakani ke kwar, we go cheri. Ini ya, jomoni chani ni a jo bongo kwan. This is a clear indication. Karibe pe daro mi rugu ribe kakana ribe ka utamo ni ngaromo bibiono ka waji wulo kum ribe ikin lutele wa me Uganda one jocha kumricha ni one joma tipin no watamo arna tamo chan tika bale we wan joma pin yo o we o tika lo kumero ero lo dirwani bene mabenda wanene kiti babe bene wanora wigi doctor mene lo meko wando mirwa konye kenwa ara lego ni Luo community woberu ka chiel actually to maronka ga Luo community getting meeting papa chino gerwate ka chiel in a big event
no William
Abe piano Luo community no actually la bon pour ni man kono Sudan man pa jok man kono actually wada actually take meeting ka money si actually when gware chero kuno
exactly
ina way
yeah
take meeting ka money si la when gware chero kuno alu take meeting wa and then ingela siendong kibiro non ka siel
ingaro
ni man Luo Uganda Luo Kenya Luo South Sudan ina Luo Congo one
yeah
uno beru mabere unwo eno tero wake gang kachane ina way
yeah
chi beru ma pelare ma we en gir man na way miro but no studio ma dit but no cultural center o chakti mo jemo wege am mirna tieni am ma chalo boss me I now know how to get access.
yeah
Let me also show other singers home there ni ke kimo kuman ibino access.
yeah
Uno mirna tieni every festive season. No pio tuangwena gwakti Australia, obol tie UK, boss me gwakti America. City boy gwakti Denmark,
mokati Australia
as kipok dano kapoa. Kawat we're creating that kind of, you know, connection more ma joma kan ki joma gang. Gi making sure ni every opportunity ma bir festive season mano ketika mera luwe abroad kan no lutiana wa yetika biono lonya wenke duoko gang ma bene chiego wani chiene meti upe bal ti chiene cherka gwa opajo ti chiene cherka gwa opajo because chiene ene pajo ya ene gwa opajo uno wa biberu mabe mado
gwa ke very very funny jalmo wane kadon kono la we mo bino obi nyoma ya kanya tamna nyimi were tie
mano bal ma die
itamna nyimi were pot vera tie
awi ni
man boku wiye
ara wi meni ngur cheni luwe kumeri now ishira chule na telo no kumshira chule mo tamne wando lo kutuko now kumeri shani monti ga nyomo wan luwe mabera ngeni chunjo da igipe yom lo da lo kedwa in la dit wiwe ka in la dit mo mi chok lo tiane wonti alwe shar ko ngi diwoni se in la dit ye dugu diwo chok da no ngai ten wo mai do bal see now jemene pe yo
kilo go we
jemene pe yo lu go we mi ro yu nyengwa because nyengwa ti mo bale monti ga nyomulu weo pani angok da ko ti planning ben ya boss me go om a chi ngol wiye no see no logo kirma nyemo wa ni reasoning capacity pangara chele because in ka ngarmo be not approaching in definitely in as a human being you will know how to answer, how to respond in a way and patia ga no miru mi be daro ma ko daro ma miri don lo mo kana madong right madong peber don lo ni la show o miru nyom la show wa he muru giba an pa bi twa ne kare wa dirma ja ta pa twa an ka abiona ti wa kan pa ngeo iparte mo mano watiga namu ni
no ko ta
angeno jomo kere bero bino ni one ben lo watima chalo kapo
ti mera ber ki gwen ni
ka couples don't tieni nyok that is the wrong couple ma legana tieni wo go chira churi kari ka bedong ruodi wa ko murgo ngaka ma pe to erfo ni daro tutwal legoni wo go culture wa ma ben in ngarmo ma go I donyo go jima right pe ko wa ka ara wa yugi mo kome ti makija mo beru tam ngero mabe ni mero gengi woru yam gurwane yela we initie sino ka yini tam ni yunde kwan yo mo pedon ramo nyaay yun mo kani loboni sino
no pa gi pa lobo no da no do pe
gi ke pin me don romo cha bien no because lu ba no keroni wang ma dako tie ka la tien ber tie sirong nyom ka dong tie o kete eroni lo metek gungu peti ma ber twan pe yomo ilu dirwa mono lo rachel ma kare wa jwa ki melo ba chuli pe biye ni tek gungu ber gima dano chwake si ara lego woni let us try to do the right thing wan ma chalo bulu were anyimu betie because ganga dong lo tien pe ye no mo na ki pa gang no gino wero idano yom gino wero be no kero yin ke wa na pian mo nyuru no mari wala tiana ne ki twal wa ko dirma yo konyo be dirma en be no nyalu tiano se ka yinde a ke gang ku ye binu kanjo wa ya mo no wa ye ni wa tim ko ma ko mo no pelo ba sino pe ber twal ata mo ni dano u be mano community mo kan ma ni joining pe chi joining culture mo ata ma pe ngeyo actually culture tek total actually culture chimo wang dano ije maraju choko dano chiro ka yini chi joining culture ma pe choko dano culture ma yeni balo mi be dong lo be ije ma bejo chino pe be para le woni wo ko yo mati
omero po boss make matag o wuya ma pol go boss make kid ma wete ga wor kede kid ma cheka chole miro ke go kede open boss ko gin motte ma nok ma ko miro
get my knock, man, we will carry my any is the most important thing. Any womerni and boss miko team on behalf of Northern Uganda singers.
Go away. Yes.
Amiro for your own fans mamegwa. I Roma na mal. Do Amira for one luteno actually luteno langi luteno lu luteno luo Madi Lugwara Karamajong Teso. I want to thank my people. These are all my people.
Exactly.
We belong together. That's why I brought a song. Greater North, Greater North, Greater North, Northern Connection. I love my culture and I love my people. After Northern Connection, happened in a way, Ubero. It is a process. It the money, you know, put pay Timo to the best.
Yeah.
The community to the best. So in a team Northern Connection happened to realize not all Luo comes from Northern Uganda. Then I happened to go back to studio and I brought what is called Luo culture.
Luo culture.
You understand? Now, after realizing that Luo there are other tribes also. Africans in the diaspora. African diaspora, we got to live together in a one harmony, in a one unity. African diaspora, we got to live together in a one unity, in a one harmony. UK Convention, Australia Convention, America Convention, Denmark Convention. You know, we're going to have a lot of conventions around.
Yeah.
So, what be the Mano ye, mana around what you, our music promoters, radio presenters, DJs in all the clubs, our fans, thank you for whatever kind of support you have given to us. And we say, keep supporting us as we keep singing for you. Let's remain together. Without you, we can't make it. Please, without us, you will miss a lot in music. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Boss Mick.